Snow falls quiet on the glass tonight. Frosted edges frame the silver light. People passing wrapped in wool and cheer. But here I sit with only echoes near. And it's just me underneath this Christmas tree. No lights, no gifts, no company. The world's so warm, but I'm cold inside. Still, I'll smile, let the hurt subside. It hums its lonely tune. Shadows stretch and curl beneath the moon. I watch the couples dance in winter's glow. Their joy feels distant, yet it's all I know. I hold my breath, let it miss the air. Dream of futures I could find out there. And it's just me underneath this Christmas tree. No lights, no gifts, no company. The world's so warm, but I'm cold inside. Still, I'll smile, let the hurt subside. Maybe next year will bring a brighter day. Maybe love will find its winding way. For now, I'll sit and watch the snowfall sway. It's okay, it's okay. Snowflakes land but melt too fast. A fleeting moment never lasts. The window fogged by my breath sigh. A quiet night beneath the sky. Laughter echoes down the street. Footsteps crunching, hearts that meet. Silent December, it's just me. The world's aglow, but I can't see. I reach for warmth that isn't there, but I'll pretend I just don't care. Candles flicker on the shelf. Their shadows dance, I talk to myself. Outside they're spinning hand in hand. Inside I'm sinking, here I stand. A string of lights across the way. Mock the darkness in my day. Silent December, it's just me. The world's aglow, pretend I just don't care. Snowflakes dancing in the frosty air, twinkling lights are strung everywhere. The scent of pine fills the street, candy canes melting sweet. The world feels small beneath the glow, hearts grow big under mistletoe. Jingle the bells, let the joy overflow. Feel the warmth in the winter snow. Wrap your love in a ribbon and bow. It's Christmas time, oh don't let it go. Footprints crunch on the snowy ground, laughter echoes a merry sound. Scarves wrap tight, cheeks rosy red, dreams of magic fill every head. The fires crackle, the cocoa steam, every moment feels like a dream. Jingle the bells, let the joy overflow. Feel the warmth in the winter snow. Wrap your love in a ribbon and bow. It's Christmas time, oh don't let it go. Snow piles on the windowsill, quiet street, so small, so still. Steam curls from my cup, slow and thin, just me and the ticking heat. Letting the cold in, red scarves, tangled hands below. People trading hugs in the glow. Every laugh drifts up through the glass. I press my palm, watch the couples as they pass. It's Christmas by myself this year, no shared joke whispered in my ear. All this loneliness, longing, a little sadness too. But I'm breathing, I'm here without you. It's Christmas by myself tonight. Still I'll try to string my own little light on this quiet crooked tree of something new. Your old sweater on my chair, looks like you forgot I'm still here. Half-wrapped gifts in a one-place plate. I pour my heart in the sink, let the year drain late. Did I lose you or find me? Hard to tell what this ache will be. It's Christmas by myself this year, no one's footsteps drawing near. All this loneliness, longing, a little sadness too. But the sky keeps falling, soft and white and true. It's Christmas by myself tonight. the kettle like I've done this before. Raise a glass to the girl who stayed when no one else would stay. And I whisper, okay, okay, I'll be okay. Snow piles on the windowsill. I smile, small and almost real. Turn the lock toward a brand new year. Christmas by myself, but I'm still Snow falls like whispers on the glass. I trace the cold where your hand once passed. The tree's still lit, but the room feels gray. Your shadow lingers, it won't go away. And I see them holding tight, warm embraces in the winter light. But here I am, just me and the snow. Lonely December, where did you go? Kettle sings, but it can't fill the void. A Christmas tune feels like a cruel decoy. Outside they're laughing, scarves entwined. Inside I'm wishing you were still mine. Snowflake kisses melt too fast. Memories like frost, they never last. And I see them holding tight, warm embraces in the winter light. But here I am, just me and the snow. Lonely December, where did you go? Every flake's a piece of us, falling gently, turning dust. I build a world of snow outside, but it can't hold what we let slide.
Snow whispers softly on the ground, footsteps fading, no one's around. A candle flickers its golden sway, the quiet night takes my breath away. Silent smiles, oh they linger, warmth of joy like fire's ember, under stars where dreams remember. This is my December, my December. A mug of cocoa in my hand. Frosty windows, a magic land. The world slows down, the chaos fades in this peace my heart parades. It's the laughter I can't see, but it echoes back to me. Silent smiles, oh they linger, warmth of joy like fire's ember, under stars where dreams remember. This is my December, my December. Every snowflake tells a story of love and loss and fleeting glory. The tree stands tall, its lights aglow, a quiet cheer the heart will know. The lights are glowing faint and low, shadows dancing with the snow. A single star whispers hello. Silent Christmas night, no carols, no firelight, just me, the frost and the moon so white. The world sleeps wrapped in silver lace, no footprints left, no warm embrace, just the cold wind's fleeting trace. I hum to the dark, a tune no one knows. Each note drifts away where the north wind blows. The clock ticks softly, the hours froze. Silent Christmas night, no carols, no firelight, just me, the frost and the moon so white. If I close my eyes, the stars might stay, lonely but peaceful in their sway. Silent Christmas night fades away.